Okay, I am repeating the question. Okay. First question. What type of chemical reaction take place when magnesium wire is burned in air?
Exothermic reaction.
Okay, exothermic is there. Then if I ask you to choose from combination, decomposition, displacement and double displacement, what type of reaction is that?
Displacement.
No. Magnesium wire? No. Yes, Avni, what type of chemical reaction take place when magnesium wire is burned in air?
Combination reaction.
Combination reaction, because Mg plus O, O2 gives MgO.
Gives MgO.
So this is a combination reaction. Okay. Next question, Hinal, what type of chemical reaction take place when limestone is heated? What type of chemical reaction take place when limestone is heated? Hinal?
Yes, ma'am. CaCO3 gives CO2 plus H2.
So we have to just tell the type of reaction. What type of reaction?
Decomposition.
Decomposition reaction. Okay. Next, Himani, what type of chemical reaction take place when silver bromide is exposed to sunlight? Silver bromide is Himani. Silver bromide is exposed to sunlight.
Decomposition reaction.
It is decomposition reaction. Okay. Next question. Yes, to Nirviksha. What type of chemical reaction take place when ammonia and hydrogen chloride are mixed? Ammonia, hydrogen chloride are mixed. What type of reaction will take place? You can write down the reaction and then tell me that what type of reaction will take place.
Ammonia and hydrogen chloride. Ma'am, 2 minutes. I'm writing.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
What type of chemical reaction take place when ammonia and hydrogen chloride are mixed? Everybody can write.
Reaction. Acha, ma'am, NH4Cl.
Suppose what type of reaction take place?
I try.
Yes, 1 minute. Nirvik,
Combination reaction.
Yes, combination reaction. Harini, you were also correct. Okay. So ammonia का formula होता है NH3, hydrogen chloride HCl. When they both will combine, it will be NH4Cl, ammonium chloride. So this is a combination reaction. Yes, my next question to you. What type of chemical reaction take place when electricity is passed through water? Yes. What type of chemical reaction take place when electricity is passed through water?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Yes. Electricity is passed through water. What type of chemical reaction take place?
Electrolysis of water.
हाँ, इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस ऑफ वाटर तो होता है, लेकिन अगर हम इसको ब्रॉडली क्लासिफाई करें, कॉम्बिनेशन, डिकम्पोजिशन, डिस्प्लेसमेंट, डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट, तो ये कौन सी कैटेगरी में आएगा? It's a decomposition reaction. Okay, that's correct. Then, yes, Kavin, the addition of oxygen to a substance is called dash. The addition, oxidation. Okay. Next, Hardik, removal of oxygen is called dash.
Reduce.
Removal of oxygen is called
Reduction.
reduction. Okay, right. Okay. Now next question. Yuk, my question is to you. Give one example of decomposition which is carried with electricity. Yuk, give one example of decomposition reaction which is carried out with electricity. Yuk, you unmute yourself, turn on the video and answer. One example of decomposition reaction. Okay, you don't know. You can turn on your video. Okay. Okay, Siddharth, you answer this question. Give one example of decomposition reaction which is carried out with electricity.
When H2 is passed through electricity, then H2 plus O2 is produced.
Okay, right. Now, Harini, next question is to you. Now I am displaying my screen. Okay, because I'll be writing some reactions and asking questions. Okay, but you all can turn on your videos, keep it on only. Okay, so okay, so first question is to Harini. Write the balanced chemical equation for following reaction. Write the balanced chemical reaction equation for the following reaction. Okay, others can also write in their copy. Okay, you should keep your books closed and you should not refer any notes or anything like that when I am asking. Okay, so write balanced chemical equation for following reaction. Yes, Harini, tell me the answer.
Ma'am, I'm doing.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, should I directly speak the balanced equation or first?
Yes. You should directly speak the balanced equation. Tell me.
Ma'am, 3Zn
Okay.
plus AgNO3 gives ZnO3
Zn.
O3.
This is zinc nitrate.
Oh, sorry, O2.
ZnO2 I should write. Okay.
Yes.
Then.
Plus 3Ag.
Okay. This is all your answer?
No, ma'am, this is wrong.
This is wrong. Avni, are you? Yes, Avni, tell me the answer.
Zn plus 2AgNO3 gives Zn NO3 square
Hold
plus
twice.
2Ag.
Okay. Okay, it is correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is the balanced equation. One thing you have to remember, zinc nitrate का formula ZnNO3 whole twice होता है. Many students make mistake in this question, and because of that the reaction becomes wrong. Okay. Silver nitrate AgNO3 and zinc nitrate ZnNO3 whole twice. Okay. Okay. Good, Avni. Next question. So Okay. First question, first referring this reaction, actually considering this reaction, the first question is to Hinal, name the substance which is oxidized. Name the substance which is oxidized. Hinal?
Hydrogen is oxidized.
Okay, hydrogen is oxidized. Yes, Himani, name the substance which is reduced.
Copper oxide is reduced.
Okay,
Copper.
copper oxide is reduced. Yes, next question, Kavin, name the oxidizing agent.
And 1 minute. Ma'am, copper.
Copper oxide ही होगा इसका. Okay. Substance which is reduced is oxidizing agent. Substance which is reduced is oxidizing agent. तो reduce क्या हुआ? Copper oxide, तो oxidizing agent भी वही होगा. Okay. Next. Yes. Name the reducing agent. Yes. Yes. Name the reducing agent. Yes. Okay, Yug.
मैम ये से
1 minute. Let them try. Otherwise, I'll ask you. Yes, Yug. Are you listening, Yug?
Yes, ma'am.
Name the reducing agent. Do you know the answer? Okay, Hardik. Name the reducing agent.
Ma'am, O.
O is not correct. Yes, Hardik.
हाइड्रोजन
Hydrogen is
Yes,
reducing
ma'am.
agent. Okay. Okay, Nirviksha, you have typed CU only. Second part के लिए CUO होगा वो. Okay.
यस मैम
Hina Limani raised hand. So, do you want to ask anything? No?
I'm just
What? Okay, you were answering this question. Okay. So now next question. Yes, Nirviksha, this question is to you. Okay. So choose from A, B, C, D the correct answer. Okay, I am writing, still writing.
Yes,
You can
ma'am.
read the complete question and then you have to choose the correct answer. Okay. Which of the following are combination reaction?
मैम डी
Okay. It is correct. D is the correct answer. Okay. Anybody having any doubt in this question? Kavin also raised hand. Any doubt, Kavin? Okay, you have
Ma'am, I
already
was answering.
answering. Okay, okay. So Harini also said D. Hardik also said D. Okay. So I hope it is clear to many. Okay. Next. Next is, what type of reactions are represented by following equations? First, 2FeSO4 gives Fe2O3. 1 minute. Yes, Siddharth. Answer first
Yes,
part.
ma'am.
Answer this first part. What type of reaction is represented by following equations? First one. What
Ma'am,
type of?
first one is decomposition.
Okay. This is
Thermal
decomposition.
decomposition.
Okay. Yes. Next one. Yuk, can you answer this? Second one.
Combination.
Okay. This is combination. Okay. Yes, Hardik, can you answer this one? Third one. Hardik.
Combination reaction.
Third one. This one. Okay, yes, Kavin. Is he correct? Kavin?
Yes, ma'am. I was typing the answer.
Okay, you can speak loudly now. Third one I am asking, what is this type of reaction?
Ma'am, displacement.
No. Yes,
Ma'am,
Double displacement.
yes, it is double displacement. Okay. Yes, can you tell me what type of reaction is fourth one? Yes. Can you tell me what type of reaction is fourth one? Yes. Okay, Kavin is typing correct. Many are typing correct
I have
actually.
also typed.
Yes, you do.
Reaction.
Reaction.
Displacement reaction.
Yes, this is displacement reaction. Okay. This is single displacement reaction. Okay. Okay. Now, next question. Harini, you have to answer this question. Yes, Harini, read the question. Identify the component oxidized in the following reaction. H2S plus Cl2 gives S plus 2HCl.
Ma'am, oxygen तो है ही नहीं.
Identify the component oxidized in the following reaction.
Ma'am, but oxygen is not.
Oxygen is not there. How do we define oxidation? What is the definition of oxidation? Oxidation का definition बोलो. Anybody? What is definition of oxidation?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, tell.
Ma'am, can I?
Okay,
Ma'am, when
anyone?
a substance gains oxygen or loses hydrogen,
Right. So if a substance
Yes, ma'am.
gains oxygen or loses hydrogen, so oxygen is not there. Okay, but hydrogen is there. So
Yes, ma'am.
now which substance is losing hydrogen?
Ma'am, sulfur.
H2S में है hydrogen, वो lose हो रहा है.
Yes.
Okay, so the component which is oxidized is H2S.
Yes.
Okay. So answer is H2S. Okay. Now, next question. Okay, I am writing one MCQ. Everybody has to read it and then you have to type your answer in the chat box. Okay, everybody has to read this question which I am writing here and you have to write the answer in the chat box. So the question is this way. The following reaction is used for preparation of oxygen gas in the laboratory. 2KClO3 on heating in presence of a catalyst gives 2KCl solid plus 3O2 gas. Which of the following statement is correct about the reaction? It is a decomposition reaction and endothermic reaction. It is a combination reaction. It is a decomposition reaction and exothermic. It is a photochemical decomposition reaction and exothermic. Okay. So everybody has to read the question and type your answers in chat box.
Ma'am, I have typed my answer.
Okay, let me check. Okay, let me check. So
I also have typed.
Okay, so Siddharth, you have written description. I want A, B, C, D, either one option. Hinal Himani are typing A, Avni typing A, Hardik C, Nirviksha C, Siddharth A. Okay. So
Ma'am, I have also typed.
Yug is typing C. Okay, answer is A. ठीक है, decomposition A. Those who are writing C, मतलब उनको भी decomposition है, ये तो कोई डाउट नहीं है, सबको पता है कि ये decomposition reaction है. ठीक है, अब ये एक्सोथर्मिक है या एंडोथर्मिक है, ये किस पे डिपेंड करेगा? हीट इज गोइंग इनसाइड एक्चुअली, रिलीज. यहाँ पे अगर हीट लिखते हैं मतलब इट इज एक्सोथर्मिक. व्हेन हीट इज रिटन ऑन द एरो, दैट मीन्स हीट इज एब्सॉर्ब्ड फॉर द रिएक्शन. ओके, दैट मीन्स इट इज एंडोथर्मिक. ओके, सो ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट. जिन्होंने सी लिखा था उनका डाउट क्लियर हो गया? किसी को डाउट है अभी भी?
No, ma'am.
No. So some of you have written C. Are your doubts clear now?
Yes, ma'am. They are clear.
Okay. Hardik has written C, Nirviksha and Yug. If still doubt is there, then you can ask. Okay, so actually this way I just wanted to tell you that MCQs can also be difficult ones. By combining 2 or 3 things together, MCQs can also be asked, so you have to be prepared this way.